Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a great way, an easy way to open up cardboard boxes. It's also great for cutting fabric if you are into sewing, and that is, it's an electric cutter. This was sent over by a company called Mercmind. It's gonna come in this little box right here. Obviously, it's gonna come with a little quick start guide, tells you about it. We're covering a lot of the features here in the video. It's also gonna charge up. It has a rechargeable battery in it, and it's gonna utilize this USB to USB-C to charge up that battery. It has a built-in 2000 mAh battery. It's gonna give you a maximum runtime of around an hour, depending on your speed that you're utilizing, because this does have 4 speeds. So right off the bat, here is what it looks like. It comes in multiple color options. I have the green one here. The blade is right here on the end. It's basically just a round little blade that looks like a nice, it's just basically like a razor blade. It has this nice little guard here, so this makes it easy for lining up, obviously, when you are cutting, and obviously so you don't accidentally cut yourself, so it's a nice little safety guard. Now there is a safety button. You're gonna want to go ahead and hold the trigger and activate that, and then the blade will start spinning. There is a white LED light on the end, so that way you can easily see what you are doing. This is absolutely great if you're cutting, for example, fabric. Make sure you are staying on your line. And then also it's helpful for when you're utilizing boxes and everything. On the bottom side is where you're gonna plug it in to go ahead and charge it up. And then on the other side, at the end of the handle here is you're gonna see a bunch of numbers and then little buttons on either side. That's gonna let you change the gears. Very simple, just press the left or right button and it's gonna go ahead and go up or down depending on your gear that you want. Now on the low end of this thing, it's going to do 150 RPMs, then 220, 260, and then 320. So at the max, it is 320 RPMs at 25-watt brushless motor. Your cutting width here is 1/4 of an inch as far as like your cutting force, if you will. But yeah, it works very, very well. It's also very easy. You can see it's just a standard little kind of little screw here that to change out the blade if you need to do that, if you want to sharpen the blade or get replacements. But overall, like I said, it's a great little device for cutting fabric, cutting boxes. It's very comfortable to hold versus just a standard razor blade or scissors that you're constantly cutting with your hands. So if you are in the market and looking for one, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.